Jasper AI. Are you spending too much time creating marketing content only to find it inconsistent or underperforming in search rankings? What if you could generate polished, on-brand, and SEO-optimized content in minutes instead of hours? That is exactly what Jasper AI delivers. As one of the leading AI-powered content creation platforms in 2025, Jasper is built to help marketers, agencies, and businesses produce high-quality content at scale. Jasper offers over 50 AI copywriting templates, covering everything from blog posts and product descriptions to ad copy, emails, and social media updates. Its brand voice customization feature ensures every piece of content matches your tone and style, making your messaging consistent across channels. With SEO integration through Surfer SEO, Jasper provides real-time suggestions to help your content rank higher in search engines. Multilingual support in over 29 languages makes it perfect for reaching global audiences, while its AI image suite helps generate or edit on-brand visuals alongside your text. Teams love Jasper for its collaboration tools, which allow real-time editing, commenting, and version control. It also includes smart automation and workflows for task management, along with a plagiarism checker to guarantee originality. Even hands-free creation is possible with voice commands, and its content improver and summarizer tools refine or condense your drafts with ease. While Jasper's advanced features may take some time to master and factual verification is still necessary, its powerful tools make it one of the most reliable platforms for scaling content operations. Although premium pricing may feel steep for freelancers or smaller teams, the speed, quality, and brand consistency it provides can quickly justify the investment. For marketers looking to boost content velocity, maintain a strong brand identity, and save valuable time, Jasper AI remains a top choice. Call to action. Stop wasting hours on repetitive writing tasks. Try Jasper AI today and experience how fast, consistent, and optimized your content creation can become.